Okay guys, today we're here. I got a little maintenance to do on my extension drill here. It's a Milwaukee. It's a setup you can buy to put on your drill for drilling. So if you're going to drill up high or down low or anything like that. And it comes as a kit. You have to buy a D-handle drill to go with it. Right now the chuck is slipping with high torque, and what you can see is here's the replacement chuck right here. So this part here on this is getting worn down. It's a little rounded so it slips. So what I gotta do is take the chuck off of here and put it back on here, and then put this back in. Here's what typically happens with these, with heavy torque drilling, is either the tip breaks off. Focus in here a little bit. The tip breaks off, or it cracks and then breaks off when you high torque them. If your collars aren't kept tight. Like right here you can see, I took it apart previously, but you can see right here there's a crack, a space between the tube and there, which makes it not fit right. So that will cause this to happen because you don't have full contact area. Because what it's going to look like inside is going to look like this. And then that will spin that, which spins the chuck. And this end is spun by the drill. So it just goes like that. It's just okay. I don't know if I lost that video there for a second. But in reverse, got the Allen wrench in there. We tightened up the retaining bolt. This is all tightened on. Everything looks good gap-wise there. No gap down there. I do have two of these, so I know about them a little bit. We put that back in. Now that's reverse. Back forward. And what I like to run in these is a Lennox utility bit. I run these, like this is a smaller version of what I run. You can see it there. It's a 3-flute Lennox. They call it a utility bit. This is a smaller version. And this is actually an Irwin, I believe. Small one. The Lennox have a bigger shank. Similar. But I usually use about 1 1/8 size for what we do. Sometimes a little bigger, 1 1/4. But that's how that works. So I'm just going to lift this camera up a touch and give you a little better view of this. Give you a little better view of this now. So if you got to drill a ceiling or anything, you put it up. You can drill without going up on a ladder. 8.5, 9-foot ceilings, I think, are probably the highest I can reach. And you can adjust the grip handle. I also use it like this for drilling out walls. I'll just hold it the level I want it. Drill, 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 like that. For drilling floors or plates, bottom plates, you can get in there, you can get a back angle, because a lot of times with staircases where you have a 2x4 wall and a double 1.5 beam or cross joist, things like that, you can actually drill back towards yourself with the bit. Corners, you get a little better bit angle into a corner when you're trying to drill it. So these are very handy. I'll put the number of the kit in the description if anybody ever, you want to look it up and purchase one. They are $250, $300, somewhere in that range, I believe. And then you're going to spend another couple $100 on a D-handle drill. But, you're drilling out basement joists, ceiling joists on first floor, second floor. It makes it's a huge help. Drilling out top plates, drilling out bottom plates. I find it to be much better than the old hole hogs. I mean, a lot of people now, if I'm doing a house, a big addition, apartments, I'll use this to drill the majority of my holes. Sometimes for longer or deeper, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5 stacks of studs, I'll use the impact with a paddle bit. But this is my main go-to for doing most of my rough-in drilling. And like I said, I'll put the link for this kit, or not a link, but I'll put the catalog number. And I know there's a couple places online that sell it. And like I said, I think they're $250 to $300, maybe $280. And you can also order the parts for them if you ever needed them. Like I ordered this chuck. It was probably the new chuck, I think was like $120 or $130. But like I said, I do have 2 of these drills. So sometimes when we're roughing houses and stuff, 2 people, you have 2 people going, or if I have my different trucks. But that's that. So that's my D-handle, long shank. It's a 30 degree, I think it's 30 inches long, 33 degree, or 33 inches long, 30 degree extension kit. And that's it. Have a good day.